For as long as the humans have had recorded history, we've wondered about the nature of consciousness. Do others experience the world as I do? How do I know that I exist? How do I feel? Why do I feel? These questions, and many others, have puzzled philosophers for millennia, but only recently entered the scientific domain in the form of the study of consciousness. The word consciousness has many connotations, but the definitions we will be using here is the awareness of our own mental process, such as thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Scientifically studying something which can only be perceived and conveyed by one person is understandably difficult. However, scientists have found ways to objectively test for consciousness. One of the most well-known tests is the mirror test. During this test, the subject is placed in front of a mirror to determine if they recognize the reflection as their own. Performing this study on young children suggests that we aren't born conscious, rather, we develop self-awareness at around the age of 4. An addition to the mirror test, called the Roche test, involves marking the participant without their knowledge in a place where they have no line of sight, usually on their face. If their attention is directed to the spot, and they, for example, try to rub it off, we can infer that they draw the connection between their reflection and their own body, and also realize that something is different, thus hinting at consciousness. The Roche test is one of the primary tests used to assess consciousness in animals, as it provides an objective, observable response. For example, the dolphin is clearly turning its marked side toward the mirror and is directing its attention toward the spot under its flipper. Using this test, we have determined that a myriad of animals possess self-awareness, from the aforementioned dolphins to chimpanzees, elephants, and even magpies. Dolphins, in particular, are incredibly receptive to mirrors and appear to enjoy experimenting with their reflections.